Welcome, here I've got HUAWEI MatePad Pro and I'm gonna show how to turn on and off the mirror effect at the camera app on this device. So at first we have to click on the camera button here, and now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's go to the more advanced settings, which are here at the left in this button. And as you can see, here we are in the capture settings. Here we have the mirror reflection, and as you can see, this is locked for now because this is only available to the front camera, so we have to change it. And we can do it by tapping on this button here. And hi. So let's go again to the settings, and as you can see, for now the mirror reflection is unlocked, and we can easily manage this like that, and by tapping on this button we can turn off and turn on it. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.